I showed some restrainment. I haggled her down to $5. That's right. But I need to close this carport off, kind of like that wall right there, but we're going to close the whole thing off and just a little bit right here and have a pretty big double entrance going in here. Yeah, this is the non-glamorous kind of crap that you got to do if you want to, you know, have a decent shop and a shop area. So we're going to have to get this started, get it enclosed, because that sun come blazing in there in the summertime. And we'll put some fans up at the corner. You know, we're going to get organized. Let's get busy. Yeah, we're going to have to take some time off and work on the shop. If it's a comfortable, awesome area, you know, you want to spend more time out here, you know, working on your projects. So we've done a lot, but, you know, we got a lot more to do. So, all right. Lost the pin on my 1970s tripod. Nailed it. Still working on the shed. You know, our area is looking great. It's going to be awesome. We can move all this stuff against the side, and you know, weather won't come in and get it wet. The metal place is usually open on Saturdays till noon, and I went over and closed. Whatever. So now I'm gonna have to go during my lunch at work and hurry, and then I'll get this metal up this week. But you know, saw a garage sale. Had to stop. You know, garage sales in the new neighborhoods, you know, it's just toys and clothes, and there's not good stuff. But you know, in these old neighborhoods, or people that have property and barns, those are the garage sales you need to stop at. Didn't see a whole lot, but we did get some stuff. I don't even remember what we got. So right here on top, we got this old cool. This is supposed to go on like that. Well, we can fix that. It's all copper. It's a little outside light. We can put that in one of the walking areas there. $2. Yeah. And a little car parts table, I guess, would you call it? But a brand new negative battery cable. 75 cents. Had to get that. Craftsman fuel filter. You betcha. We use that on anything. 25 cents. Had to get that. Little toggle switch right there. 25 cents. Had to get that. Shoot, you never know, you have to turn something on and off, you know, like a fan or something. Fuel pump, you know, possibilities are endless. You know, where is it? Oh, it's over by the truck. One of my battery chargers, it's all rusty, the thing's off, and I have the wire, and I put the wire on there, and I clamp on there. This happened to be brand new, positive deal. 25 cents. Shoot, definitely had to get that. So, you know, past a year monkeying with that, now I can fix that. Well, it might take me 6 months to fix it, but, you know, at least I got it to when I finally get tired. But yeah, had to get it. What else we got here? Oh, it's just a neutral. You can use it for anything. Key, ignition with the key. Shoot, it's got 4 keys. But I had to step up on this one. A whole $1. Had to get it. Had to get it. You don't know. And then hodgepodge bag, 25 cents. Let's open this up and see what's in here. There we go. Light switch and plug. We'll have to put that on the corner of the new. Turn on the shop lights. Something. We can use it. Roll of black tape with the dispenser. Has a little cutter right there. What else we got in there? Some little eye hooks. You know, hang stuff on. And then that stupid plugs that don't have the no grounds, and you put, you know, the adapter plug. Can't have too many of those. But shoot, all that for $1. Had to get it. Had to get it. They had a bunch of old nostalgia hats and stuff, but you know, I showed some restrainment. But oh yeah, one more thing. My big ticket item. Since I ran over the edge of mine with the tractor and broke the thing off, I still haven't fixed it. Yeah, look at that. Air bubble. The glass is even not all fogged up like it is on mine. You can actually read that. I put some air in there. You know, we got 70 pounds in here. The cable looks a little chewed up, but she's holding there. And they had $7.50 on it. I haggled her down to $5. That's right. $5. So it was like $9.50 for the whole lot. $9.50. So, you know, $10 for all that. I mean, I don't know what these battery cables cost, but shoot, we can use those. Definitely. Filter, ignition. Definitely can use that positive clamp to redo the battery charger. Yeah, this light. Shoot, we'll put that up on one up and down there on the greenhouse or something, you know, for when it's not dark out. But yeah, we're gonna get that 4 sheets is all I need. And since they're painted on one side, and they're not the stuff that you get from Lowe's. This is the stuff that came with the building. A little over half of it done, and so 4 more sheets. But 4 12-foot by 37 is you know, like $52 a sheet. But you know, we gotta have it. They know you gotta have it. Anyways, Mueller Buildings, that's where I got my building and the carport and, you know, all the metal. So we just need 4 more sheets. Whatever. Yeah, right there at the opening that goes out, I would love to get like an old hood. You know, you've seen that before. The old hood that comes out kind of as the eave of the door opening, because I'm not gonna put no doors on that. I mean, it's all open right there, but it'll be good. But it might help with the rain kind of want to come in that one section. But that'd be cool. Put a hood up there, old hood. Shoot, that'd be badass.
That one little rose plant right there, it looks like it needs water.
We're getting there. We're getting there. And I appreciate everybody's patience, and I appreciate everybody subscribing. I appreciate everybody watching. You know, it motivates me and helps me to, you know, come up with new stuff and more stuff, and you know, and it's fun doing them. And I love when people comment and you know, put in their 2 cents. You know, but anyways. We'll catch you on the next video, and thanks again.